Good morning, students. You know who am I and for what purpose I am here? I am Yasmin, your English grammar teacher from the Wisdom School Sirsa. And today I am here to teach you about nouns. Today will be our first class and I am going to teach you about nouns. So please listen carefully and enjoy the class. I think we should start the class. So children, today we'll study about nouns. Okay, what are nouns? Before we start noun, I want to ask that do you know what is my name? Do you know what is my name? Yes, my name is Yasmin. So this word Yasmin is a noun. This word Yasmin, my name is Yasmin. This word Yasmin is a noun. Okay. If I asked you that where do we live, हम कहाँ रहते हैं? Where do we live? We live in. Where do we live? कहाँ रहते हैं बच्चों? We live in. Yes, we live in Sirsa. So this word Sirsa is also a noun because this is a name of city. This is a name of city. So Sirsa is also a noun. Abhi recently I have given you two examples. So by these two examples, what you have learned about nouns? क्या सीखा nouns के बारे में? थोड़ा थोड़ा ऐसा नहीं लग रहा कि nouns are name. So nouns are nouns are name. Whatever the name is, it comes to noun. Nouns are name of what? Name of what? Person. I am a person. No, my name is a person. मैं person हूँ तो मेरा नाम क्या हुआ? Noun क्या हुआ? Name of a person. Place. If person अगर आ रहा है तो animals भी आ सकते हैं. Animals can also be included in this. Okay. Things can also be included. But not only animals, it can be birds also. Not only animals, it can be birds also. So nouns are name of person, place, animals, birds, things. Okay. Nouns क्या है? Nouns are name of person, place, animals. Animals में birds भी include हो सकते हैं. It can be birds also and things. Clear? बच्चे, is it clear what actually nouns are? Nouns होते क्या हैं? क्या आपको वो clear है? Let me explain you with few examples. अभी मैं आपको कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स के साथ एक्सप्लेन करूँगी कि एक्चुअली नाउन्स होते क्या हैं. ओके, सपोज व्हाट्स दिस इन माई हैंड. मेरे हाथ में ये क्या है? व्हाट्स दिस इन माई हैंड? यस, आई हैव अ पेन इन माई हैंड. आई हैव अ पेन इन माई हैंड. व्हाट इज दिस? आई हैव अ पेन. सो दिस pen is basically a noun because it is a thing. Pen क्या है? एक thing है. Okay? Pen क्या है? Thing है. So this pen is a noun because ये pen जो है वो एक thing का नाम है. Pen is a name of a thing. So name means noun. तो pen क्या हुआ? Now let's take one more. Suppose Delhi is the capital city ऑफ इंडिया। दिल्ली क्या है? कैपिटल सिटी है इंडिया की। पता ही है सबको कि दिल्ली इज़ अ कैपिटल सिटी ऑफ इंडिया। डू यू नो? पहले पता था आपको कि दिल्ली जो है वो इंडिया की कैपिटल सिटी है? गुड, इफ़ यू नो इट्स वेरी गुड। सो दिल्ली क्या है? दिल्ली नेम हुआ, नेम ऑफ अ सिटी। इंडिया इज द नेम ऑफ अ कंट्री। दीज बोथ आर द names of city and it is a country. So Delhi and India are nouns. Nouns. Even not only nouns, the name of person, name of place. Sorry, it's name of place. Clear? So these are the name of place. Is it visible to you all? Okay, write it. If you want to write, then write it in a notebook. It will be easy for you to again recollect your knowledge. Easy रहेगा, लिख लीजिए. Okay, I'll give you time to write. Write it fast. Done? I hope you all have written it. Okay, बच्चे, if I tell you that I have a dog, I have a dog in my house. So dog, I have a dog in my house. क्या होगा इसमें नाउन? In this sentence, what will be the noun? Yes, dog will be the noun because it is a name. Name of what? Name of animal. Very good. It is a name of what? It is a name of animal. So if it is a name, then it will be noun. Okay. Just one more question. You know who is the Prime Minister of India? Do you know who is the Prime Minister of India? I think it's not visible over here. You know who is the Prime Minister of India? Yes, who is the Prime Minister of India? Mr. Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Mr. Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. So Mr. Narendra Modi, what is this? नरेंद्र मोदी क्या है इसमें? नेम, नेम ऑफ, नेम है ना, किसका नेम है? नेम ऑफ द पर्सन, नेम ऑफ द पर्सन. सो ये क्या होगा उनका? ये क्या होगा? नाउन होगा. मिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी विल बी द नाउन. अंडरस्टूड? क्लियर? ओके, राइट इट. इफ यू वांट टू राइट देन राइट इट. इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? ये समझ आया कि नाउन्स होता क्या है? हैव यू ऑल क्लियर कि नाउन्स होता क्या है? व्हाट एक्चुअली नाउन्स आर? नाउन्स क्या है ये पता लगा सभी को? एग्जाम्पल्स all clear? If you have any query regarding the nouns. Please feel free to ask me anytime, and I'll provide you worksheets also that you have to do it by today itself at a proper time, and it's very easy. Try to do it and make some new examples for me. We'll discuss these examples in the next class. Okay? Take care, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.